In this video, I'm just going to lay out a very simple strategy for you to make $1,000 in 30 days of passive income. Actually, it's recurring income, but it's passive in the sense of I did the work once and I continue to make the money. The method I'm going to show you that I use to make this money is by affiliate marketing. The simplest way to explain that is you make recommendations for products, people buy through your link, and you earn a commission. First, I want to show you proof inside of an account that I have. This is a marketplace called Warrior Plus. I'll go ahead and refresh this. You can see here in the last 30 days, $1,126.15. If I was to drill into the affiliate daily stats, you'll see some more details here. And if I take this back again and I go for the last 30 days, once that loads up, again, you see the combined earnings for $1,000, and in this case, $1,011.15, because that initial screenshot was actually from some products that I make myself that I sell, but this is just affiliate income. The first product here, I'm actually going to give you the product so you can see it. The rest of them are blurred out because it's not really important, and it's not about the products I promote. It's not about the niche I'm in. It's about the strategy. But you see here the product is called Hand-Drawn Mazes. And I'm showing you that to really dive into the strategy. And that strategy is what I call the top strategy. The top strategy is a 3-phase strategy that starts with traffic. And traffic is simply where or how you let people know about a solution that you have, which is the product that you recommend. Then that traffic leads over to the offer, which is the affiliate offer that you're promoting, meaning the product that you're recommending that people are going to buy and you're going to earn a commission from. In this top strategy, people are people that you add to an email list later on down the road. And to drive this home, the idea here is to create content, pick a topic and create a content and let people know that you have the solution. And you do that by creating YouTube videos, kind of like the video that I've created here. But going back to this marketplace to actually see the money that I've earned and go into this product, when you dive into where the traffic actually came from, what you'll see here is these things called tracking codes. You can see where I've added a simple tag, and this is very simplistic. You simply just write this or you add this on to the end of your affiliate link, and every affiliate marketplace can do this, so you can track, but you can see email, YouTube, and blog. And then here you can see some traffic stats, but the most important thing that you can see is number of sales from each method or each traffic source, and then you can see the earnings and how this all adds up. So again, take this back and look at email, YouTube, and blog. Using YouTube as the primary traffic source, again, going back to my top strategy of creating traffic, this is as simple as creating a video talking about that product. In that case, the product is Hand-Drawn Mazes. And in this case, it's as simple as someone looking for that phrase, Hand-Drawn Mazes. Again, don't get caught up in what Hand-Drawn Mazes is, what niche it's about. This is about you picking a topic. And in this case, the topic for me was how to do hand-drawn mazes, or the specific tool that allows people to create hand-drawn mazes. You can see here, if you were to do a Google search for hand-drawn mazes and scroll down, you're going to see here there is a video. That video is for a channel called Publisher Report, and that is my face. If you were to click on that search result or that video at Google, it'll bring you over to this video, Hand-Drawn Mazes Software Review, from my YouTube channel, Publisher Report. There's a link here in the description. When someone clicks that link, it takes them over and they can purchase this product and I earn a commission. Going back to that same Google search, Hand-Drawn Mazes, scroll past what Google recommends as far as the videos. And if you keep scrolling, you will see other results that, if you continue to scroll, even though it's further down a page, is still the first page here, publisherreport.com, Hand-Drawn Mazes Review. Of course, people click on that. It takes them over to my blog where they see here, written by Gary, publishing tools and software, and they see, again, there's my face, there's my video. But the point here is they can read in this blog and they can see how to make hand-drawn mazes using this software. And then, of course, if they click here on my affiliate link, that brings it back here to track inside of the affiliate site or the marketplace where the product is being sold, the fact that they clicked from the blog. You can see here in this case, in the last 30 days, 5 people have clicked, or what is called unique hops. Again, don't get caught up in the minutia or the little details here. Understand that I didn't earn any money from that, but from my YouTube channel, I did earn $79.52. But also the email list or the tag here, the tracking code, I was able to earn $150.84, which takes me back to the top strategy. This 1K in 30 days all starts with this, the top strategy, and the fact that you need to get traffic. In this case, the traffic source is you picking a topic and you simply talking about a product or showing someone how to do something, giving them a solution to a problem they have, and then providing an offer. That traffic, as you saw on Google, when people searched for that product, hand-drawn mazes, or how to create hand-drawn mazes, or if they know about that specific tool and they're looking for a review of that tool, that is my offer. Then eventually what I do here is I add those people to an email list and then I follow up with them. That's a little bit more of an advanced strategy inside of the top strategy, but it is all covered in the top strategy. And it is part of this, as you saw from the money that I earned. It is part of how to make 1K in 30 days doing affiliate marketing using this proven strategy that I just showed you proof for. There's a link in the description. It will take you over and show you exactly how I do this in greater detail and depth than you just saw in this video. Link in the description. If this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up and I'll talk to you later. Bye.